Everyone, welcome to prevent the solution given this nice exponential equation, which is 4 to power x plus 2. This is equal to 72. So what is the value of x? Now, solution from what we have here. So 4 to power x plus 2, this is actually in the form of a to power n plus m, which you can express as a to power n multiplied by a to power m. Now, applying this property, we're going to have 4 to power x multiplying by 4 to power 2, this is equal to 72. Now, 4 to power 2, we'll have 4 to power x multiplying by 4 to power 2, this is the same thing as 16. This is equal to 72. So we divide both signs by 16. Okay, divide by 16, so that now from what we have, we'll have 4 to power x, this is equal to 72 divided by 16. So here we can simplify further. We divide here by 8, this is equal to 2, by 8, this is equal to 9. So we'll have 4 to power x, this is equal to 9 divided by 2. So we have 4 to power x, this is equal to 9 over 2. Now to solve for the value of x, we introduce the natural logarithm on both sides as follows. You'll have log 4 to power x, this is equal to log 9 divided by 2. Okay. Now, as you can see, log 4 to power x, now this is in the form of log a to power n, which you can express as n log a. Now, applying this property, log 4 to power x becomes x log 4, this is equal to log 9 divided by 2. So from here, we divide both signs by log 4 and divide by log 4. Okay, so let's proceed. Let's simplify here. You'll have x is equal to log 9 divided by 2 divided by log 4. Okay, now as you can see, log 9 divided by 2, this is actually in the form of log a divided by b, which is expressed as log a subtract log b. Now applying this property, we're going to have x is equal to log 9, okay, divided by log 4 subtract, okay, log 2 divided by log 4. Now from here, we can express 4 basically as 2 to power 2. Okay. Now applying this property, we'll have x is equal to log 9 divided by log 2 to power 2 subtract log 2 divided by log 2 to power 2. We can express log, that is log 9, can express 9 further as 3 to power 2. So applying this, x is equal to log 3 to power 2 divided by log 2 to power 2 subtract log 2 divided by log 2 to power 2. Now from what we have here, we can proceed further. Log 3 to power 2, applying the power rule property, x becomes, that is log 3 to power 2 becomes 2 log 3 divided by log 2 to power 2 is the same thing as 2 log 2 subtract log 2, this is log 2 divided by log 2 to power 2 becomes 2 log 2. Okay, so that, let's proceed by simplifying this. This is 2 and 2 simplifies. Okay, so that x is equal to, now we'll have log 3 divided by log 2 subtract, now log 2 and log 2 simplifies, so this is basically subtract a half. Okay, now log 3 divided by log 2, this is basically in the form of log a divided by log b, which you can express as log a to base b. Now applying this property, x becomes, this is log 3 to base 2 subtract a half. Now this is the value of x. This is the value of x. Now let's verify if this value of x actually satisfies the equation. Okay. Now verifying this. Now if you recall, now let's verify that the value of x, which is log 3 to base 2 subtract a half, actually satisfies the equation. Now if you recall, we end that 4 to power x plus 2. This is supposed to give us a value of 72. We simplify this further. Okay, we simplify this further to 4 to power x. This is equal to 9 divided by 2. Okay, so let's check. Let's check if you substitute the value of x that we're supposed to have 9 divided by 2. Now substituting the value of x, we'll have 4 to power log 3 to base 2 subtract half. This should give us a value of 9 divided by 2. Now from what we have here, 4 to power log 3 to base 2 subtract a half. This is actually in the form of a to power n subtract m, which we can express as a to power n divided by a to power m. Now applying this property, we'll have 4 to power log 3 to base 2 divided by 4 to power half. Okay, this is supposed to give us a value of 9 divided by 2. Okay, so from what we have here again, we find that we can express, this is 4 log 3 to base 2. We can express 4 as 2 to power 2. Okay, so that means we'll have 2 to power 2 log 3 to base 2, which we can express further as 2 to power log 3 to power 2 to base 2. Okay, so let's proceed. Now substituting this 2 to power log 3 squared to base 2 back to equation, we'll have 2 to power log 3 to power 2, okay, to base 2 divided by, this is 4. We see that 4 can be expressed as 2 to power 2. So this is the same thing as 2 to power 2 multiplied by a half. So this is essentially supposed to give us a value of 9 divided by 2. Okay. Now again, as you can check here, 2 log 3 squared to base 2. This is actually in the form of m log a to base m, which is equal to a. So that means that 2 to power log 3 to power 2 to base 2, this is equal to 3 squared. So let's substitute 3 squared back to the equation. So we'll have 3 squared, which is equal to 9. We'll have 3 squared, which is equal to 9, divided by, now we have 2 to power 2, multiplying by half. Okay, so divided by 2, this should be equal to 9 over 2. And like, as you can see clearly, that the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side. Okay, and that affirms that the value of x, which is actually equal to log 3 to base 2 subtract a half, actually satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps to understand and like this video and subscribe. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.